Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach.
Okay, so I'm going to teach you today now a tool called Vagrant. Okay, Vagrant. So, what is this tool actually? So, basically, this tool we call it a dev tool. Okay, we call it a dev tool. Now, but you will say for what? For what reason you need? So, I'm putting in a very simple way for managing VMs. Then we'll say, Rajesh, yesterday also we covered the VMs. That was a virtual box. So what is the difference? What is the great about Vagrant? Then here you have a certain advantage here. Vagrant will help you to create a VM. Okay, understand that. Create a VM, package a VM, customize the VM, share a VM, but all this thing through command. Yes, commands. So you can say VM automation tool. You can say something like that. So most of the developers are using Vagrant if they want some, virtual machines. They want to create, they want to customize, they want to share with you all. So using Vox, this is called Vox concept. Okay, we call it a box image, Vagrant box image. Okay, packaging and all kind of things. So what is this all about? So let me take you to the website. This is the HashiCorp product actually. Okay. This product is from the company called HashiCorp. Now let me tell you here, HashiCorp is the one of the company. They have a many tools. They have a Terraform. They have a Vagrant. They have a Terraform. They have a Packer. They have a Console. They have many other tools actually. And most of the Vagrant, I mean Terraform, I mean HashiCorp tool, will be covering as part of this course. Whether you are a part of SRE, DevSecOps, or DevOps. Why? Because all of their tools are very popular for coding for infrastructure or related work. So very popular. So now this you have a tool Vagrant, and Vagrant is a free, mind it, it's a free and open source product. So there's no enterprise as such. And here is what they say: single workflow to build and manage what virtual machines environment. Then you may ask, okay, if it is a virtual machines, is it another hypervisor? No, this is not a hypervisor. This is the one of the command line tool which works with the hypervisor. That means if you want to use Vagrant, you have to install the hypervisor like VirtualBox. Yes, so VirtualBox has to be there. Then only you can install the Vagrant. Okay, so again for all this thing, so directly I'll show you the one demo so you can get started rather than going through this whole stuff. So can we install the Vagrant? So let me check Vagrant is installed in my machine or not. Vagrant, see, Vagrant is not there. So what to do? So I will go and download the Vagrant. So here I'm in Windows, right? So binary package, and where is the Windows? Here it is Windows. Go for AMD 64-bit, download. So it's a MSI file which you see. I'll just install in few seconds. And the Vagrant. Again, if you want to install Vagrant in the Ubuntu physical server, I must tell you, physical server. Vagrant you have to have a with a hypervisor. A hypervisor can be installed in physical servers only. If you're running physical server with CentOS, Fedora, Amazon, Homebrew means Mac and all, you can use this. So it's required a physical server because hypervisor it works with a hypervisor to create a VM. You can't create a VM inside a VM. Mind it. So that is the stuff. So I have to install it. Let me do that. And let me install this Vagrant. Next, accept, install. Yes. Am I recording this session? Yeah. So guys, yesterday we created VM, and for creating a VM, what was needed? What was needed? Can you please tell me?
Image.
Image. Yes. So guys, here also, in order to create a VM, you need an image, but that image will not work. So what image we need? We need a box image. In Vagrant, we call it a box image. Now you'll say, Rajesh, from where we get the box image? So Google it, Vagrant box images. And now here is the place where you get a hell lot of hundreds and hundreds of thousands of box image. You see? Yeah, so many box image for each and every operating system, Ubuntu, Windows, all this thing you will get it. You can search for this number of downloads and stuff like that. There's one more place which is called Vagrant ES, which I find little easy to search for it. Here it is, and here this is the Vagrant ES. This is also these locations you will find the box image, different box image. Yes. So now let me check if the installation is completed. No, let it complete. So if you look at this here, this site, a lot of Vagrant image you have. So what you want, Ubuntu, search for it. All these are Ubuntu you see. Windows, Windows, these are the, see Windows 11 here you have. Windows Server here to 2012 here we have. So you can also create your account and create your own boxes also. So people create their own boxes. Let's say MySQL also box you want, which has a certain operating system MySQL. See, so people create their own boxes, share with the world. But by the way, within a team also you can share as saying that, hey, I've created our own box. Why you want to waste 2 days for setting up the dev environment, QA environment, all this thing? I'll give you my box. You use it, and within a 5 minutes, everything is up and running within your computer. So it's so easy. That's the reason we call it. This is a dev tool, developer tool. Okay. So that is the stuff. So I think I got it. Oh my God, this I need to restart. Yeah, I think so. You must restart system configuration changes. Da da da. Restart now, or if you plan to manually restart later. No. Okay. So what to do now? So let me check how long we can continue this demo. So here Vagrant is installed. Yes, I think it is installed. Yeah. So it should show me that certain things, though system is required restart, but that's okay. It's just a few commands I want to teach you, which you can run it offline also. So yes, Vagrant is installed. So clear the screen. Now what to do then? What to do? So you just need to remember few flow. Let me tell you, Vagrant tutorial, Vagrant debugschool. Okay, so just few commands I want to teach you, and that you need to remember. And for that, there's so many, so I'll just go for this one. Vagrant, enter, and here this is the one. Okay. Oh no, this is not the one. Sorry, my bad. This one, basic workflow. Okay, so now once you install the Vagrant, you need to download the image. So from where you can download? So first install the VirtualBox. You did it yesterday. Today I did the Vagrant installation, restart required, but that's okay. Now what you need? You want to add a box URL to Vagrant. How do we do that? So guys, this is a box. Look at my screen. This is the box. From where I have taken? So you can take from this place which I showed you the site, whichever you wanted. Okay, take one out of which, and this is the box, and this is the command to add a box, and this is the name of the box for the local. So can I do one thing? So can I create one directory? And this is a demo. And here I will go for command line, and here I will run Vagrant, okay, and box list. You should box list. So how many box you have in the system, you can see that. I wish it should work. I mean, it will work if it is a no, if it is a see. So there's no boxes right now. What to do? So I'm going to add these boxes. All these are command line tool only. So I'm going to copy and paste. The URL will change if you want different boxes. With my 5 boxes, I think it's a CentOS. Yeah, it's CentOS 7. And it will take few minutes of time to get it downloaded. You see, so my internet speed is very high in this laptop. So I think within a 2 to 3 minutes, you have the boxes ready. And after that, once you have it ready, you can see the boxes. It's like image downloading, okay? But everything in the command through command line. Nothing great about it. Okay. So should be taking faster. Okay. Is downloading actually. The progress bar is not coming here, so it'll take few seconds. Now the question is what you are supposed to do. Let me remind you, I did ran all this command in the empty folder. You are supposed to do that. So after that, what you are going to do, so you are going to create one VM. How do we create a VM then? This is a command. Mind it here, Vagrant init CentOS 7. Now this is the CentOS 7, the title which I added for this boxes. You are going to say that. And I must again repeat, this must be done in empty folder. Okay. So still is being done. Now after that, once you are done, the VM is created. But now you say you want to run the VM. So how do you do that? Simple, Vagrant up. Very simple. Vagrant up. And the VM will be started running. How can you see that? On the command line also you can see that. And you can go to the VirtualBox also here, and you can see the VirtualBox, and then you can see that VM will be running. Okay. So right now I have to need to run. Just wait for a few seconds. Where is that? Yeah. So guys, done. Now can I see the list? Now you have the CentOS 7. Now what to do? Now you know that very well. I'm going to run this command and create a box. So box configurations will be created. Just give me a few seconds. I'll show you that. So here you see Vagrantfile, which is a configuration file, has been placed in this directory, and now you are ready to run the Vagrant up. That is your VirtualBox. If you see that start dot, see this is the file. Now this is the file. Again, slowly you need to get comfortable, not immediately. This is the file you can customize for many customizing your VM actually. Okay, so this is the right now empty, but some of the tutorials are given. You should read it a little bit later, but not now. Okay, so done. What to do now? So now if I want to start the Vagrant up, I mean the VM, just say Vagrant up. That's all. Okay, and it should start your VM. So I don't know whether it will start or not, because the doubt which I'm having is the reboot was required. No, I did not do the reboot. So anyways, but that whole commands I can show you that in a flow, and in good, like we got a good luck. I think it got started, and you see that in the left side here you got starting, see running now. Good. So this is the one of the VM you got it. And you see, you don't have to struggle a lot actually. So the process is very simple to getting a VM actually. Just you add it, and this is one time work, I must tell you. Then in it just taken of 1 or 2 seconds up. That's all. And after that, what you're going to do? You are going to do the SSH. SSH means because Linux VM, right? So Vagrant SSH. But you know what? This is the command line. So command line SSH is having certain issues. So what I want to do, I want to go to the PowerShell, and now Vagrant SSH. Now you will log into that VM and do whatever you want. So I should be getting into the VM now. See, where are you right now? Tell me.
Root.
You are inside a VM, correct now? Do whatever you want, work whatever you want to utilize, do whatever you want, and then See, inside the VM, that's IP address, NAT network. You can change the network to bridge. Yesterday I taught you. Okay, so what to do? Work is done, completed, done. And then here Vagrant hyphen help shut down and remove, suspend and remove. These are the commands you need to run. So work is completed. And now what to do? You have an option suspend, or you have option which is stop somewhere, suspend and then pause. No, suspend is to suspend the machine. And there is one more command, I'm not getting it now, and that is up down. Okay, it's up, yeah, so sorry. So yeah, here halt, destroy, these are the command I was looking for it. So these are the commands you can use this and get it done. So you want to destroy, here it is. You want to pause, here it is. You want to suspend the VM, here it is. You want to up, start again, up. Okay, so this is the command. You just get to do that, and your life will become very easy. So you need Apache, one VM. You need a MySQL, one VM. You need a tomorrow something else, one VM, and create and work and then destroy. Do not think too much on this front. So do you find this tool as a, I mean, little easy for you to, start working on it?
Yes.
Now, guys,
Yes.
I want to tell you one more thing. Let's say you are the person who has spent a lot of time and created one VM and configure the VM for the entire team. You maybe you spend in the VM, you configure, install some 10 tools, configure these tools, and everything started working. And now you want to share with other people. What do you do in this case? So this is what I said. Remember that you can create a new box and share the boxes. How? So let me let me talk about that commands. And that command is creating a Vagrant box. This one. So the command is this one. Okay. No, sorry. The command is, what is a package command? And this, just again.
Uh,
Uh,
Rajesh, I have one question here.
just give me 2 seconds. I just want to show you that one before I lose this. I think it should be here. I given the package command, but not able to get it. Oh, it's a packer, right? It's not Vagrant. Just a second. Give me 2 seconds. So yeah, so this is the command which you have. Here it is. Okay. So if you think that work is completed in the VM, then what do? This command you run, Vagrant package, and it will create a new VM. Okay, and it will create a new VM, and then after that VM you can share with everyone. So the how come you share the boxes? So again, there's a public portal also, private portal, or you can zip tarpor, all this thing you can do that. So let me give you the exact command. I'm not able to find quickly. Vagrant package and DevOps code. It was there, I remember, but quickly I'm not able to find. This is the one, I guess. Oh, it was there only, I guess. No, unfortunately, no. Okay, so no problem. So let's go to this one and here, and yeah. So this is the output name is a flag. You want to give it any name for these boxes. That's all. And this is the command. So Vagrant package and this output name, that is more than sufficient. Yeah. Now you tell me the questions.
So Rajesh, we have VirtualBox, we have Vagrant, we have got Packer. I believe all these come under to help us to create virtual environments. Now, what is the need to learn or to have when we have a virtual box which does the same purpose than to Vagrant? Do you think there is a difference between these two?
That's what I said. See, understand this. Nowadays, the world it has come for the automation. Let me ask you that we spent yesterday. How much time we spent for creating a VM? 30 minutes. Don't you think so? Today, how much time we spent to create a VM? Let's say 2 minutes.
Hmm.
Now, if you want to customize this one, it's very difficult. Here you can customize the VMs and package it, just package command and share with the whole world. So this it's all about the time. It's not about the tools. Okay. See everything. I'll put it in this way. Everything you can do through Python or Java. But why we are learning so many tools? Because it is saving your time for that particular problem. So you want to work on the. I mean, you have a laptop. Okay, and you want environment to be quicker and faster. So these are the tools which will enable you to do the work faster. That's all, nothing great about it.
So you mean to say we do get the same functionalities in all these three tools? Only thing is speed or optimization is more when you compare to that is a major
Right,
thing that distinguishes between these three tools, correct?
right, right. Many code, if you download from the GitHub, you will see this file. I don't know how many of you have noticed. Have you noticed this file?
Yeah,
Anyone? So that's
yeah,
file,
yeah, I
that
have
means
seen
this
this.
file is so just install and up, all the environment is up and in within a few seconds. No need to follow any manuals actually. So that's the reason you will find this file everywhere in the GitHub, because most of the developers are following that.
Do you think Docker is more extended version or improved version of Vagrant?
No, again, see, that's what I'm saying. For time being, till you know all the tools, hold that
Mhm.
question in your mind. Don't try to compare and prioritize the tool. I should run this or that. Let me tell you, here I have not added any duplicate tool. That means what I'm trying to say, there is a one problem, one tool. I'll not teach you one problem with the two tools. That means Docker is serving different problems. Vagrant is having serving the different problems, and everyone else is AWS has solving different problems. Kubernetes solving different problems. So it's not, you have to learn everything. Whatever I have put it in the agenda.
Got it. Thanks.
Okay, so just try it out. This commands. So I think that should be good, and start using this. It's not only for the learning purpose. Start using it. It will save your time. And after that, once you have a VM, I mean all the environment ready, I think from the next Wednesday we'll start getting into the some of the topics which is related to Linux. So keep your VMs ready, and I have also sent some assignment today, tonight, or maybe tomorrow. I'll send some more assignment related to all this topic. So do the assignment with honesty. Self honesty is important. You're not going to show off to anyone. Ultimately you are spending money and time both for learning all these things, so you have to spend a little bit more time actually. So whatever the time I spend, let's say 1 hour with you, you have to spend 3 to 4 hours for yourself also, so you can maximize this sessions benefit.
Have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@debugschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.